Welcome to Fathom 4 TV. I'm John Pesavento, and I'm here at our Fathom 4 headquarters in Charleston, South Carolina, to introduce you to something we think will revolutionize how military technical publications are viewed and used. We have created a system that allows our servicemen and women to locate parts visually without replacing existing manuals. The system leverages existing TM content, links it interactively, and provides clearer and easier access for the warfighter. Let's begin engineering freedom.
Over.
Traditional operator and maintenance manuals require the user to thumb through thousands of pages to find the part they need. The standard model is, a maintenance technician needs to replace the radiator fan motor. What's the part number? Okay, you need to go out and navigate through a few technical manuals associated with the platform and find the 23&P. Then you need to go to the section called the Repair Parts and Special Tools list, commonly referred to as the RIPSTL, to find the part you need. Okay, here it is on page 893. Now write that down and then try to find a source of supply and order one. To learn how to actually install it, search through the maintenance tech manual and find the radiator fan motor installation removal procedures. Okay, but the procedure says I need to replace the fan motor belt when I replace the fan motor. So I'll also need one of those. So back to the 23&P to find a fan motor belt and order one. Now I get to replace the part, but when it comes to checking the operation, I have to go over to the operator manual and find the fan operation procedure. Well, it's a lot of steps and flip-flopping between different manuals for what you need. And that's just the manual set for the platform, in our case, a vehicle. Each component installed into the vehicle is controlled by a different set of manuals as well. With respect to the C4I components, want to find the audio cable that connects the intercom and the Blue Force tracker? Well, is that in the BFT manual or the intercom manual? I know where the part is and what it looks like. Shouldn't that be enough? Yes, it should be. If you can find the part on the vehicle, then our opinion is you should be able to just as easily find it in the manual and have all the information required in a single location. Let's walk through a sanitized example. Okay, here we have our interactive bill of materials example pulled up. Notice that as you move your mouse from one item to another, the different items highlight. And we can select either the chassis group or the cab group. And we will select the cab group here. And again, you get the same selection options for the different pieces of the cab group. So we'll click on the dash. And we'll click on the radio. And at the lowest level, you get the different tab options for different manuals or drawings or spec sheets. Let's go back and look at a different example of the chassis group. Now let's select the wheel hub and the brake caliper assembly. And again, you see the same options. So we can go to the operator manual and see the theory of operation section. We can go to the installation instructions and look at the field maintenance procedures for the brake as well. Or we can go to the repair parts list, the RIPSTL, the drawing, and look at dimensions of the brake caliper. The COT spec sheet is also tied in here. These links, though, can be set up to be whatever we need to show for the user. Here we have an animated installation instructions of the brake caliper assembly. With a wrench removing the bolts, the dust boots being removed, the brake pads being removed, and hitting the back button will take you back up to the brake caliper assembly, and the back button from there takes you further back. Let's go to the radiator, and the same options are here at the radiator. Notice we went straight to page 4 in this PDF, so the links can be customized to go to any page number. We'll look at the field maintenance, the ripstol. Again, drawings or spec sheets, whatever links we want to create can be set up. Even those that are beyond the standard manual options. As you can see, moving from one subassembly to another is an intuitive process of selecting visual links or tabs. And we think using a very complex assembly and having it structured in this manner would revolutionize the way technical publications are viewed and used. To create this interactive bill of materials, we don't suggest changing the existing manuals or documentation standards. The Fathom 4 solution leverages the existing manuals and links them interactively to make them clearer and easier to access for the warfighter. To sanitize this video, we use simplified models. If you would like a more specific example, please visit our website and contact us for a one-on-one demonstration.